In this Qmee review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money using this survey website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Qmee is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Qmee is like all survey websites. So it's basically you'll get a lot of online surveys and you can fill them and you can get paid via Venmo, PayPal and all these gift cards. So you can get paid like that. And the problem with Qmee is that it is not available worldwide. So that's the only problem. So if you're from the US, UK, Canada, Germany, France, Australia, then you can be using this platform. If you're not from this country, you can't be using this platform. But guys, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to be suggesting you guys other ways that you can make big money online. So stick around till the end of this video. So Qmee has been there for a long time. So it is one of the OG websites. So it's 100% legitimate and you can trust these people. So they have a lot of good reviews in Trustpilot. I'm going to be getting into that later in the video. And also you can download the app in Google Play Store as well as download in your App Store as well. Or you can just go to their website and sign up with this button right over here. So you can get paid anywhere around 30 cents to about $3 per survey, but the most surveys that you're going to be seeing is going to be anywhere around 30 cents to 70 cents. So you can mostly get surveys on that. The surveys that gets you paid $2 and $3 is going to be extremely rare. So don't expect to make $2 to $3 for every survey you take. So some of your surveys are going to be 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. So that's all you're going to get paid. But the sweet spot I saw in Qmee is about 30 cents to 70 cents for most of the survey. So that's kind of the money that you can make per survey, and the survey is going to, and each survey is going to take you about 1 minute to maybe even 20 to 30 minutes. It really depends on the survey. So if a survey is about 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it might give you up to $2 or $3 if you're lucky, and you can get paid via PayPal, Venmo and gift cards. So based on your location or based on your country, you can be getting these local retail gift cards from Qmee. So that's pretty great. So for most people, I think PayPal would be nice. I think most people would use PayPal. And the cool thing about Qmee is that they don't have any minimum threshold. So for most survey website, they require a minimum threshold of maybe $5 or $10, maybe even $15. But apparently Qmee doesn't have any threshold. So suppose if you just make 10 cents for a survey, you can immediately withdraw with their payment option. You can do it. You can do it via PayPal, but obviously PayPal is going to charge you some money. But you can be withdrawing as soon as you get to 10 cents. So that's kind of a cool thing about Qmee. And if you go to the Google Play Store of Qmee, you can see how nice the interface is. The interface looks pretty cool. As you can see, there's a 3 euros and 28 cents one. It's going to take you 22 minutes. But guys, a survey like this is going to be super rare, and that's just the problem. I really like how the interface looks like. It's really cool. And considering how much money you can be making with a survey website like Qmee, I'm going to be saying you're not going to be getting a lot of survey every single day. That's the problem with the survey website, because the survey demand is not a lot. I mean, the survey supply is not a lot. It's always going to be, limited. So based on your demographic, based on the data that you have given them, as soon as you have signed up, based on that, they are going to be giving you surveys. So I'm going to be guessing that you're going to be getting about 4 to 5 surveys every single day that you are going to be taking. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll get to 6 to 7, but the total earnings that you can make with a survey website like Qmee is only going to be $1 or $2 per day. Yes, guys, that's the maximum you can be making, because you're not going to be getting a lot of survey. Maybe if you're lucky, maybe if your demographic is good, maybe the information that you provided as soon as you sign up matches with their survey, you can be earning up to $3 per day, but it's not going to be a lot of money. So the maximum I see people making money with a website like Qmee is about $60 per month or $30 per month, or even if they're lucky, you can get up to $90 per month. And also, one drawback that I found in Qmee is that before you take surveys, you have to do a pre-qualification test, like if you are actually eligible for the survey. So that is kind of like a drawback, and most people are not getting eligible. Many people are getting like rejected for that. So that's also kind of a problem. But if you're like really serious in making money with survey, I think you should go ahead and go with Qmee, because I can kind of recommend, because it's only going to make you 30, maybe 60, maybe $90 per month. That's the maximum amount of money you can be making. If you're interested in that kind of money, I would definitely recommend Qmee. So if you go to Trustpilot and if you see the reviews, they have excellent review. It's a verified company and it has got almost 4.2 star review, which is actually pretty great. If you look at the 5 stars, you can see almost 68%. So anything about 4 stars in Trustpilot is most probably a legitimate company. And yes, Qmee is a legitimate company and they do pay out. And anything less than 4 star, it's a scammy website. It probably should be a scammy website. And I have gone through one of the 1-star reviews, and recently people are facing a little bit issue using Qmee. So the thing is that they are not getting qualified for the surveys. These problems has arisen recently. See, you guys can see 2 days, 4 days. So there is some problem with the pre-qualification. So many people get rejected in the pre-qualification test before you take survey. So that is kind of like a problem. But overall, Qmee as a survey website is a fantastic website. I really like the interface, and the pay is actually okay-ish. So for the people that are not from the US, UK, Canada, Germany and France, I have another recommendation that you guys, if you're like really interested in survey website, you can go to this website right over here, which is called Survey Police. In this website, you can see the top paying surveys or one of the best survey website in your country. So that's actually pretty good. So all you have to go do is go to surveypolice.com and click on online surveys, and you just have to go to the top rated paid surveys. So as you can see, the top paid survey is in India. So if I scroll a bit down, so these are the top user rated paid survey sites in India. So I have TGM panel, Prime Option, IPSOS, IC, then the panel station, then American Consumer Opinion. So if it were me, I would have signed up in the top 5 of them and maybe started completing surveys. But I am not really interested in surveys. But if you're really genuinely interested in surveys, I think you should go with the top 5 of them. So that's basically it for this video of Qmee. So if you're here to make good money online, maybe $1,000 per month, $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, I suggest you click my #1 recommended strategy, which is in the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. You don't have to pay or anything. You can visit by clicking the first link in the description. And I hope to see you on another review video.